So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aquafina. So in this video I'm going to discuss about how to breed Oscar fish in your home aquarium. So breeding Oscar fish is slightly harder than most other freshwater varieties. The most difficult part is pairing two Oscar fish that like each other enough to spawn with each other. Oscar pair chosen for mating should be at least 2 years of age. For faster result, it is an excellent idea to purchase an already made and spawned pair of Oscar. Now next question is how to differentiate between a male and a female Oscar fish. So Oscar are near impossible to tell the difference in sex. Both types look exactly the same as there is no difference in size. The only known way to tell is to look for the small cone shaped object located around the anal opening. So if you do not buy a confirmed pair, the next safest option is to buy 6 or 7 juveniles and grow them, allowing them to naturally pick their own partners. This can take time, however, and if your sole purpose is to breeding them, possibly too much time, as it will only be when they reach 6 months of age that they are able to successfully spawn. Now next step is feeding and water change. To induce spawning behavior in the Oscar, keep the water clean by doing 20 to 30% water change twice every week and siphoning the gravel. Feed the Oscar pair a varied diet of both live and frozen food such as mealworms and quarantined live fish work great. Do not add feeder fish from the store without first quarantining the animals, as this is the easiest way to introduce disease into the tank. Frozen brine shrimp, bloodworm, beefheart and prawns will also be a great complement to their meaty diet. Now let's talk about the Oscar fish breeding. The Oscar fish should show sign of mating by following a distinct change in normal swimming habit. The pair will begin to slap each other's tails against one another, chase each other around the tank and lip lock mouth. This is why it is good to make sure the Oscar are well behaved and similar size. Unfortunately, at that point one may become aggressive and attack the other. When this type of behavior is displayed between the Oscar pair, you will need to give the pair some spawning medium. An excellent choice is to offering an upturned dinner plate to the aquarium. The ceramic surface is suitable for the pair to lay and care for their spawn. They will clean the surface in preparation to spawning. The female Oscar will give birth typically 2 to 3 days after the mating ritual. The female will give birth in batches of about 100 eggs and typically lay about 1000 in total over the period of a few days. In the wild, spawned Oscar fish eggs often have a lower level of success rate and even fewer make it to the young adults. In captivity, hatching rate and conversion rate can be much higher. The Oscar fry will hatch from the eggs within 72 hours of being laid. It is not uncommon to find all the eggs have disappeared. This can happen due to the eggs not being fertilized and the parents consume them. If the Oscar parents feel unsafe or become upset, they may also consume their own eggs. It is no surprise that parents can take a number of attempts to get spawning right. Once egg may develop a cotton wool type fungus, this phenomenon will only occur on unfertilized egg and unfortunately can spread to the fertilized stock too. Adding methylene blue to the aquarium can remove the fungus but may cause your tank to recycle and is best avoided. The parenting pair will usually pick up on the fungus and consume this portion of the stock. Oscar egg are unfertilized will be a little brown or tan color as opposed to the white color of unfertilized egg. Before the egg hatch, decide if you want to raise the fry with the adult Oscar and risk them being consumed or move them to another tank for rearing. Choosing the latter will require more space but will greatly increase their chance of survival. If you move the eggs to the another tank before they hatched, be sure to use the same water from the larger tank and expect the parenting pair to defend when you remove the eggs. Place the egg into a container without exposing them to the air and then into a new aquarium, leave them there to hatch. The egg will take about 72 hours to hatch. Closer to hatching, the fry can be visibly seen moving within their cells. From the initial 4 days, the Oscar fry have an egg sac that will consume and do not require any feeding. After the 4th day, they will require supplement feeding. Starting with Infusoria and move to the brine shrimp, within a week. Be sure to feed them 3 times a day, removing any excess food and waste in the aquarium. So in the wild, Oscar fry generally stay by their parent side up to the size of 1 inch. In the aquarium, young Oscar will need to be removed from their parents around this time as the parent Oscar can become territorial and aggressive. At the size of 2 inch, they are able to be sold or distributed to the pet store and friend. So these are all information regarding the breeding process of your Oscar fish. I hope this video will help you. More videos are coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel.